Hey guys, I made a whole video putting my laundry away, but my mic stand came, so I thought instead of that video, we would unbox this and assemble it. And that weighs a ton. I'm just opening that so it doesn't beep through the video. Okay, I just undid the box so that I could pull all the parts and pieces out. There we go. 2-year warranty, that's a good thing. Okay. Whole bunch of those. Alright. Let's see. Oh, trying to get all the pieces. Okay. Alright. Oh my goodness, that's a tight bendy. Whoops. Okay. Okay, I have the wrong end. There we go. Now that's. Oops. There we go. Alright. Now let's grab the microphone, which is right here. And we'll sit it in here. Oh yeah, it fits. Perfect. There it is. I am all ready for 19th November for Kid Missing, because this moves as well. I just need to get the batteries, which I'll have by then, for that, but it's perfect. It's perfect. Guys, this is like cast iron on the bottom. Oops. I love it. What do you guys think? I think this is going to be a game changer as far as recording my videos and stuff, because it's going to be much better. Excuse me. It's going to be much better to record my videos. I'm going to sit right in front of it. It's going to be perfect. And this thing isn't going to move. Yeah, I wish it had. Oh, it does. It has protective feet. Yeah. So, very pleased with that. Help. Others find it by reading the review. Okay. I have a warranty card, which I will put in my owner's manual file. Here. Okay. So, I am extremely pleased with this. Okay. this moves from all the way down here to all the way up here. I have the side with the button up, obviously, and this is a movable part also, but this is like cast iron, and it's perfect. That is, let me turn that. The perfect mic stand. I'm glad I got that mic at a yard sale for cheap, and it works great. So, yep, in November I will be using it to film 90s November, and hopefully you guys will notice a difference, enjoy a difference. Unfortunately, the battery is dead. So, well, almost dead. So I can't, oops. I'd like to finish October with it, but, well, if it only needs 2 batteries, I have the 2 batteries right here. Just not sure if it needs more than 2. I'll throw those door cells in it, and I'll be able to finish October with it. My hair's sticking straight out. Anyway, I will take a shower tonight anyway and wash it. So I'm going to go finish making my dinner. I'm going to watch TV, and I'm going to edit. The video from last night is kind of long because it was a huge haul. Huge. In fact, my landlord helped me take out the rest because I put it all in a bag. He didn't know the difference. He pointed out that there were toys in the dumpster. Yep, I know. And there are a bunch, but I'm not going to worry about it. If I see anything good tonight when I go out, fine. Otherwise, I'm not going to worry about it. Unfortunately, my light broke, so I have to order a new one. But that's okay. So yeah, guys, this is the, if you'll recall, sure it's still, yep, see, it's still green. Let me turn it off. Whoops, off. There. This is the sensor, and it came with the big plug, and I had to get an adapter so it would fit the camera. This thing weighs about half as much as the camera does. I kid you not, it's heavy. It's from Tonor, T-O-N-O-R. I think it's professional grade, which is awesome, because I'm trying to be a professional, so. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. And I'll see you Sunday with a big haul from Dawn, hopefully. Hopefully. And her haul from me, if she lets me film her opening her presents from me. But she probably will. I need to redo my nails. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me earlier as I just needed to talk. And you guys are a good ear. I don't want to criticize anyone. I just wanted to get my feelings across. Because regardless of what your religion is, my feelings matter. Other people's feelings matter. And mean things were said to me. I'm off my rocker. I've lost my marbles. I'm nuts. All those things were said. And I'm sorry. Those things hurt my feelings. And I finally let it be known that it hurt my feelings that people I considered to be my family didn't show up at my mother's funeral. So, and how much that hurt me. So, I chose them as family, and I choose to no longer choose them as family. I was their biggest mistake, or however she put it, about me being at their house was their biggest mistake. Okay. So the only friend that your son ever had from school, ever, was your biggest mistake. Okay, what does it say about your son? I'm not saying he says anything, I didn't mean to put it that way. What does that say? Well, what I meant was, what does that say about you? That your son's only friend was your biggest mistake. In your own words. A lot of other things I could say, but I'm refraining from saying from 33 years of friendship. You know, things that... Anyway, I appreciate you guys listening to me in the Daily Journal. On Monday, the new massager will be here. The new gun will be here. I am getting the money back as soon as they receive the old one, which they should receive it soon. I literally sent it in its own box. I taped the label to it. My friend put it in the FedEx box, and it went back in its own box, taped up the whole bit. So they should get it. It went out at the beginning of the week. They probably already have it. But it's going to take time for them to look and say, okay, that's where it came from, that's what it is, put the money back in our account. It's already pending. All they have to do is release the funds once they see the box. So I ordered one off Amazon instead. So, because I didn't use my Walmart credit card for that. So, but like I said, it's pending in my checking account. So, I'll let you know when that $35 comes back. But anyway, thank you so much. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for being my safe space. Mwah. Bye guys. God bless you.